Honda Civic came in from a big shark bite. As you can see, the cost to fix this car is gonna be at least $7,500. Honda Civic got rear-ended. It needs a brand new bumper, a new tail light, a bunch of brackets behind the car. This cost around $5,000 to fix. Ford Flex got rear-ended by a truck. As you could see, it took majority of the bumper off. The cost to fix this car is around $3,500. Jeep Compass in for a right side front collision. As you could see, it needs a new hood, a brand new headlight, a new bumper, a new fog light, a new fender, a wheel molding, and a few other things. The cost to fix this car is around $11,000. Chevy Cruze got completely crushed on both sides of the car. As you can see, it needs a new fender, a new bumper, all the headlights, everything that goes on the front and the side of the car. The cost to fix this car is a total loss.